Okay, so the engine's all ready to go in. The whole engine's been rebuilt. Transmission's been rebuilt. Previous to this, I had just put bearings, new bearings in, and only had like 1,500 miles on it. So this has the wave track in it, the diff. Pretty much, I just gotta put the turbo manifold on, but it's pretty much ready to pop in. But I ran into one problem. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, that's about to go in, and then it'll be all-wheel drive. But I got bad news. I'm not gonna make another video for 1 month because my daughter has a brain tumor and she needs surgery, and I have to fly to Washington. I'm gonna stay out there probably about a month to help her recover. So it's going to put this all-wheel drive build on hold. When I come back, I'll pop the engine in. I got to do some work in there, and I'm going to clean up the engine bay and then cut it. Not cut it, but I think I'm going to find a way to do the drive shaft, and then I need a custom exhaust. And once I get back, it's not going to take me that long. I think maybe 3 weeks, and then the car will be done. But yeah, I have to go to Washington, and I'll be gone at least a month because her recovery, she has a pretty big surgery, and her recovery is going to take a really long time. So I'm not gonna come back to Oklahoma until she's fully recovered. So I'm gonna be heading to Tacoma, and then when I get back, I'll make more videos. So in the meantime, I hope everything goes well, and I'm gonna do some praying. But see you in a month.